Do you think for you personally there's a link between your mindfulness practice and compassion? And if you do, you explain that link?
That is a great question. Yes. When I first started out, and as I first started the firm, I was much less compassionate, much less, I will admit this, much less empathetic than I am now, because I was so focused, make the money, feed the family, pay the mortgage, keep the firm afloat, get the business. I was like a laser, I'm not saying I did anything I shouldn't have done or anything improper, but I wasn't as respectful or as caring of people's feelings as I am now. I'm not saying I'm a model of perfection now either, but over the years, as time has gone on, I've realized the importance of that, and I think mindfulness has been a big part of that. It's enabled me to slow up that reaction time. So if somebody does something that I don't like, or somebody associate disappoints me, or somebody misses a deadline or whatever, you don't have that initial unhelpful reaction, unempathetic, uncompassionate reaction.
Could you maybe speak to how mindfulness maybe helped you balance like work and life outside of work?
Yeah, that's another great question. I think if I'm 62, and the thing I regret most in life, because nobody gets to be my age without having a few regrets, or they're just full of baloney, And the thing I regret most is that there were times where I was doing what we do, trying these cases, putting together the firm, where my mind was elsewhere while I was with my family. And I used to hate that about myself, but I couldn't help it. I'd be home literally and physically, but my mind would be cross-examining an expert witness that I was going to be doing on Monday or Tuesday. I just couldn't help it, And I don't mean to beat myself up. My wife says I'm way too hard on myself, and she thought I balanced it all pretty well. And I think in terms of time I did, but in terms of being mindful, I wasn't as mindful then as I am now. The mindfulness that Scott teaches has been very, very helpful for that.